Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. Some upgraded blue frame orange lens glasses here. So let's go ahead and show you guys what we've got here. Here's the box. Oop, everything, something fell out. A little UV light, blue light, kind of, I guess, to explain it. What we have here, we have a case, fancy looking case. It folds up nice and flat, and then when it's open, it'll kind of have it as a triangle. Very cool. Comes with a anti-Blu-ray glasses there, and we have the glasses right here. So let's give these things a try here. There we go. I think I got like a medium level on these. Ooh, look at that. Everything's kind of yellowy. So this is what they look like here. So you see, these are kind of cool looking. They're yellow. They got a nose piece here. It's kind of adjustable. You could probably bend it to where you need to fit. So that is nice. It's got a good looking yellow color there. Let me see if I'm looking through here. Please mediate the white square below with the Blu-ray generator. Okay, let's see. I guess this is a tester or something here. So we have a blue light generator, and I guess that's what that is. I can't even see it because it's blue, but it's kind of yellowy when I'm looking through it. Let's see. Please irradiate the white square below with the blue light generator. The stronger of the blue light, the darker the color. Oh, I do see it's getting dark. I don't know. Do you guys see the darkness? Oh yeah, I see the darkness. But yeah, you can see the UV is doing something to this card, but it doesn't do anything to me because I can barely see it. It just looks like a little yellow dot. So there we go. So it works on that, but it's going to be protective of me. So how cool is that? It looks like we have two of those cards, and we have the case here. Let's try this. That fits me pretty good if you look at it. I don't think I need adjusting. Normally I have to adjust it, but this thing here kind of clips at the back of your ear, so it holds it in place. Usually my ears are a little farther back. I guess I have a long head or something, but this fits me okay right now. And then the nose piece there. So you can see it fits me pretty good. I mean, I could adjust it if I really wanted to, but it's holding on back there. So, I mean, I could be out there in the sweat and it'll still be holding on good. Okay, so that's that adjusted. Let me see, I'll try this in the case. So we can fold the case out. Oop, can you see there? So it folds, the case folds out. Put it in. Now it's a triangle case. That's really cool. I've never seen a case like that. So that's good. So you can take your case with you somewhere while you're wearing your glasses, and it's not going to take up a lot of space. And then it looks like here we might have a soft case as well. Got all sorts of stuff in here. Okay, we have a little microfiber cleaning cloth. That's always nice. And then a microfiber case. So if I'm just going to be putting it in somewhere where it's not going to get smushed, I could just stick it in there. So really cool. Nice. Comes with all the stuff here, and it has some instructions, I guess, here as well. If you really need those, you could probably pause it and zoom in, but I don't know. But looks good to me. Thumbs up.